Again, I want the world to understand that General Christopher Musa, the Chief of Defense Staff of Nigeria terrorist government, they are killing our people. They are destroying buildings in the whole of the southeast. Today is February the 14th, 2025. And Musa is still sending rockets, launchers to Biafra land to destroy our innocent mother, children, and father.
Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome to Global Love Channel TV, where we bring you the latest happening around the globe. Yes, my people, I'm back again with the latest news. Yes, this video that I'm about to watch, please do well to watch this video to the very end of it. Don't skip any part of this video because it's worth watching. Yes, all we do here in this channel is just to bring the truth related to all of us witnessing. Yes, my wonderful people. As you are watching, don't forget to touch your hand for subscribe button, like, and spread this message around the globe. And do well to touch your hand for notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. An injustice for one is an injustice for all. Always stand by the side of the truth.
Now, there is no war going on in the southeast. Musa has turned the southeast to a death zone. General Christopher Musa and your boys, remove your terrorist army. Now, just like as I'm saying, look at the rockets that is sent to Biafra land yesterday, being the 14th day of February 2025. And we say enough is enough, Musa. Enough is enough. Biafra has been declared. Biafra land is now a sovereign nation. We want you to remove all your terrorist army from our land, General Christopher Musa. I mean, I don't understand this kind of nonsense. There is war going on in the northeast, north central. Why are you not in the north, tackling Boko Haram and the insurgency going on there? There is no insurgency in the whole of the southeast. Why is Musa in Biafra land? What is so precious in that Biafra land that you are there killing our people? What is so precious? What is so precious, General Christopher Musa, I must ask you? Because our people have been killed. They are killing our people every single day. What is so special there? And the reason why we are here speaking every single day that Musa is killing our people is when we carry arms to defend ourselves. They shouldn't call us a terrorist. Although they have even proscribed the indigenous people of Biafra a terrorist. They have proscribed me and the entire Igbo race a terrorist organization. And you want the same terrorists to be in the same contraction with you called Nigeria. You went as far as declaring Nnamdi Kanu and me a terrorist. And you want us to be in that same country called Nigeria. You called me a terrorist. Let the terrorists go and develop their own state. We have where we come from. And this is the problem of Nigeria. Leave the southeast alone. Leave the southeast alone. What is going on? Now, the other day, Canada, they refused you visa. Didn't you get the message that the world knows what is going on in the southeast? Didn't you get the message, General Christopher Musa? What the hell is wrong with you? Why are you killing the southeasterners? Why are you killing the Igbos? What did the Igbo people do wrong to you? Sending missiles, sending helicopters to destroy our land, to destroy our homes, on what ground? Is there any war going on in the southeast? Is it where the terrorists are disturbing the villages? Southeasterners are the most peaceful people on this planet Earth. What is wrong with you, General Christopher Musa? What is wrong with you? And the terrorists, government are there. Tinubu is there watching. They are destroying Igbos, killing Igbos every single day. Every single day. Killing us. And we're tired of all this nonsense.
Don't take lies.
We're tired of all this nonsense. What is wrong with General Christopher? What is wrong with the Nigerian stupid government? What's wrong with you people? killing the Igbos, sending helicopters and to cannot jet fighters to the southeast. For what reason? If I may ask. For what reason, Tinubu? For what reason are you engineering the CDN of Nigeria to kill our people? For what reason? What did Igbo people do wrong to you? Are we the reason why you are called the drug lord in US? Are we the reason why you are called the certificate forger? Are we the reason? And then you are killing Igbos for no reason. Sending missiles, sending rocket launchers every single day. Igbos are dying. Nobody is talking about it. The world is just quiet. Musa, please remove your terrorist army from our checkpoint, from our road, from our land. The land is now a sovereignty. You respect sovereignty. And that is the reason why you were shouting, oh, Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa is disturbing, Simon Ekpa is the menace. Now, nobody is sitting because of the Igbos dying. Nobody is sitting in National Assembly again. Nobody is conducting interview anywhere in the southeast, in the whole of Nigeria, over the killings that is happening in the whole southeast. And you think we'll be here, we'll be quiet? You people are completely mad, Musa. You are completely mad. All of you. The president is mad. Terrorist. What is wrong with you people? Killing our people every single day. You will never wake up in Nigeria and you will not hear bad news. What is happening? Why creating unnecessary crises in the whole of the southeast? If you are not benefiting from it. Tinubu's government is benefiting from this evil. A stupid man that stole power from an Igbo man came through the back door. Now start killing the same Igbos that you say you don't like. What is it? What have we Igbo people done wrong to you? This Tinubu's idiot, his own is even worse. Because Buhari even did a little. Your own is worse. Killing our people. There is no day you wake up, you will not hear bad news in the whole of the southeast. Under this administration. And then the governors are quiet. Because all of them are slaves to the Fulanis, to the Nigerian government. They are all slaves. And when we pick up, when we start reacting now, they will say, oh, the southeast, Igbos, oh. What the hell is wrong with you people? Animals. Look at a drug lord. A president that called himself Jagaban. He can't go to US. So this animal, this Tinubu cannot go to US. He cannot travel to US as we speak. And he's there destroying the southeast as if we are the problem. They are the reason for your problem. As if we are the one that caused what is happening to you. A stupid man, a useless president of Nigeria called the drug lord Tinubu. Trying to use $2.7 million to clear his name from the FBI terrorist file. Useless man. You are killing Igbos for what? There is no war going on in the southeast. You are just using helicopters to kill innocent people that are not armed. Are you not mad? Animals. They've not started refusing you people visa. This one is just the beginning. It is just the beginning. You rushed and deceived Finland. Oh, Simon Ekpa. Today you cannot come to that same Finland to defend all the allegations. If they burn any one of the government of Nigeria, well, come to Finland and come and defend all the nonsense allegations over our prime minister. If they burn you, well, come now. Why are you people now running? After submitting evidence through internet, why are you now running? Because you know you are not clean. You know you are not clean. Nigerian government is not clean. Terrorists everywhere, terrorizing the whole of the southeast. You have notes that there is war going on there. The terrorists have taken almost all the villages in the whole of the north. You are not combating them. You are not shooting rocket launchers there, missiles from plane. You are in the southeast, terrorizing the whole of the southeast. You stupid animals. That's why Mazin Nnamdi Kanu called Nigeria a zoo. Even zoo is even better. Because all the animals knows their lane. Nigeria does not know their boundary. Stupid country. Very useless man indeed. Biafrans, I'm so angry this morning. These people are all animals, killing our people every single day. But that's 60 days. After that 60 days, because we want to follow the due process to get to you people. And we are coming very heavy. Animals.
There's an event to honor our veterans, those that were injured during battle. Remember last year the Duke of Sussex visited Nigeria with his wife. Through the Invictus, they have a foundation that they try to raise the morale of troops all over the world that have suffered one form of deformity or the other in the course of defending their individual countries. So we're supposed to be there. And actually, half of my team have already gone, but unfortunately, the Canadian embassy, for knowledge best known to them, denied us visa. So I wasn't sure, and so I wanted to be silent about it. But when we couldn't get the visa, I said, this is blessing in disguise. So I'm really very happy to be here. And I think this is just a clear reminder to us that we're on our own, that we need to stand strong as a nation, so that nobody takes us for granted. You could imagine we were invited for the event with our team. Our team, half have gone, half have been denied. So the competition is ongoing.